What's up, y'all? It's been a hot minute. I got a hot minute, people. I figured it's been a hot minute, so I should probably show you guys what's up with the Buick. The car's not really running too well, and that's because the AC compressor is slipping on the belt. I don't know if it's because it's like seized up or what, but the belt's just slipping right over the whatever you call it, the thing that the belt goes around. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. It's a little bit sketchy, but we can do a little something. It might not even start. Turn that shit off. Oh, I'm bugging. I forgot I already took the belt off. I was like, why is it running okay? Honestly, it's not a big deal. All you would have saw was right here. This doesn't really move. It's like locked up. And it's just a bad compressor. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. So I already took the belt off. It's just gotta push this down with you put the wrench on here, boom. Push this down, loosens up the belt, take the belt off the whole entire thing. And now I'm assuming down there it's just one nut and then the second nut right there. And then it's probably on the bottom too. Get under the car real quick. Alright, there's a third one right here. That's to hold the compressor. And then that is where the AC goes. I think that's it. I think that's all that holds it. Boom, 2 seconds later, this should just wiggle right out of there. Like so. Now, it's out. The hard part is getting it around all this. See if the bottom's any easier. Alright guys, I got it out. So I didn't go from the top or the bottom. What I actually did was went out this little side window by the wheel. Super clutch, easy. Good, Thomas? How you doing? All right, well, we got the AC compressor, and unfortunately I had an Uber here, so I spent $25 on the Uber, but the part was only 81, so that's good. They're usually like $200 brand new, and it looks like it works decent. So I'm just gonna head back to the crib. I'm gonna take a train this time. Hopefully it's not too far away. We're pretty much out in the boondocks right now, and yeah, get this part attached. This is the boonies, bro. Look at that. That's crazy. That truck probably pulled right up to my Acura, jacked it up, cut that catalytic converter off, and it's probably sitting over here somewhere. These motherfuckers. Alright, we back at it. It's really easy. It's the same process. So all I'm gonna be doing is sneaking it through that little window over there that I showed you guys, putting it back on those 3 studs right there, and then those 5 bolts. So I'm just gonna throw it in real quick, and hopefully this thing is running better. put the new compressor on. I took it to the shop. I got the AC charged, and they told me that there's still a leak inside the compressor, and that's the one I got from the junkyard. So fail on that, unfortunately. Bought a new one. It's in the trunk right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. It's late at night, so me videotaping any of this is gonna be stupid. So that's all you're really gonna get. It's boring, but I'm changing the AC on a 2000 Buick. But yeah, got the part in the trunk. I'm about to put it on, but I'm gonna go for a quick ride on this thing. So this is my vibes, y'all. This is all I can do for the video. This is the only. Yo, you heard that? Holy shit. It's dark as hell out here. It's a little scary. Alright guys, coming to you from the present time. The AC is done. I got it charged at the shop, and she's running fine. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I don't really know how to end the video because it was just like a bunch of clips at the end. I didn't ever make an actual conclusion to the video, and you know, it wasn't that great of like fun of a video anyway. So we took it to the shop and got it charged up, and it worked. It was a brand new part, so no leaks, no drama. Like I said, I'm coming to you from the present time. These Buick videos, all the videos I've been dropping lately is like from months and months away, or months and months ago. So I'm still doing a lot of catching up, and definitely appreciate anybody that's like watching me or following me, commenting. I got right now 104 subscribers, so it's pretty cool. I got 100, and that was my goal when I first started, was just like, yo, if I get 100, like I feel pretty good about myself. I know it's not like a spectacular number, but it's progress, and every day it seems like the numbers are going up, everything's looking better. So I definitely appreciate you guys. I'm like, block this dude, threw me off. But there's a Buick, yeah. She's running, I got the Acura behind it. This is not the Bronx, and you guys will figure more, you'll find out more about that later on. I can't wait till the vlogs start dropping in real time and you guys are more caught up with me. Really appreciate you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one. So see you later.